welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 8th to the 12th of June 2026 on Monday. Everything changes when Zethu return, choosing herself and shattering the future Sfiso believe they were building together. Garaja's search for the truth uncovers revelation that will unpan his entire world. Meanwhile, Nesthando goes above and beyond to strengthen her blossom bond with Metron on Tuesday. Zethu, Sfiso and Mamkonyane have an explosive family meeting, causing Zethu to do something unthinkable. Katazile catches Nesthando trying to sneak out of Shobane's room with an interesting result. Sipindile or Pindile is about to come clean to Spamandla when she is interrupted on Wednesday. Sfiso is stunned when Zethu takes a step at the heart of his culture and their marriage. A hunted Shobane can't forget his kiss with Uzethu. Zenzo revealed to Spamandla the result of DNA test, knocking him right off his exes on Thursday. Zethu chooses what her heart desires. Zenzo praises Spamandla with the Hlongwane clan names, causing chaos between his parents. Shobane drops a bombshell, leaving Nesthando devastated on Friday. Mamkonyane is broken when she sees Sfiso begging another woman to love him. Garache is disgusted by what he hears from Pindile, and Nesthando seeks comfort from Metron, who promises to fix what can't be fixed. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.